of my ogas are here watching me. Some of them that are already very good at Forex. So we want to learn how to trade the right way for extra source of income. All right. So I hope this is not blocking anybody. So we're going to be talking about what is Forex and can I do this? What is Forex and can I do this? I'm going to be talking about market viewing platforms. So a lot of us here already know about that. I'm going to be talking about Forex brokers. Then you're going to get your demo and real account started, how to use your MT4 and MT5s. And a lot of us traders don't even understand how to calculate pips and lot sizes. Trust me, a lot of us don't know nothing about this. And tonight, the strategy I've been talking about that works for every market, we are going to use it and take trades before your questions and answers. And that is how we will call it a day. Welcome to everybody coming in. Although you're late, you are just right on time. We just got started. All right, so what is Forex? If you follow me on Instagram or any of the social media platforms, you will know I already explained it in the easiest way possible. It just means foreign exchange of foreign currencies for profits. Nobody wants to make a loss, so it is obviously done for profit. Okay, what is foreign? It just means foreign exchange. All right, I can see some people coming in. Okay, all right, Biodun, you're welcome. You're in the right place. All right, you're in the right place. All right, so it means foreign exchange. We're just going to go straight to it. It means foreign exchange of money or exchange of foreign currencies for profit. So like I explained, if I have 700,000 naira, all right, and somebody comes to me and says, you don't know that you go and change that your 700,000 naira to dollars. Naira is dropping, dollars is going up. You understand? So somebody now tells me that. What do? I immediately use my 700,000 naira to buy dollar. Let's say the exchange rate right now is 700 naira to a dollar. What does that give me? If I use my 700,000 naira to buy dollar with the exchange rate? $1 is equal to 700 naira. What does that give me? Put it in the chat box. I want to see you in the chat box. This is going to be a very interactive class. It's going to be a very, very interactive class. All right? Put it in the chat box. I want to know those that have sharp brain here. Put it in the chat box. I want to see if you have 700,000 naira and the exchange rate of a dollar to naira is 700. Okay, meaning $1 equals to 700 naira. That gives you $1,000. All right, it gives you $1,000. So I now exchange it because I know my dollar is going to go up. Good. 1,000. Well done, Biodun. Now, because I know that my dollar is going to go up, I have exchanged it so that when it goes up, I'll make money. And lo and behold, let's say in 2 weeks' time, it went up from 700 naira to a dollar to 800 naira to a dollar. That means what? The $1,000 I'm holding right now, if I change it, I'll be making $100,000 naira extra. That means I'll now be left with 800,000 naira, right? I'll be left with 800,000 naira. So that means I made 100,000 naira in profit. That is Forex for you. Knowing when to buy and sell for profits. That's just what it is. It's no big deal, guys. There's no too much talk about it. All right, there's not too much talk about it. So that's what Forex means. We have different types of currencies in the world because, of course, there are so many countries in the world. So we have several currencies that you can exchange. You see, we have the USD. Yes, correct, Abiodun. We have the US dollar. We have the Japanese yen. We have the Australian dollar. We have the Great British Pound, which is the GBP. So many currencies, and we can exchange any of them to make profits in the Forex market. Now, there's something I just want you to note. So when you see something like USD, JPY, the USD is the base currency and the JPY is the quote currency. Meaning when you are trading that kind of pair, the quote is what you make. The quote is what you make. Just bear in mind, the quote is what you make. Now, if what you have in your account is in dollars, it will convert what you've made into dollars. So if I'm trading USD JPY, and probably I'm in a buy market and I make profits, that profit is Japanese yen. All right, that profit is Japanese yen. But because I have US dollar as my trading account currency, it will be converted from Japanese yen to US dollar. All right, that is why when you look at your trading, somebody trading USD JPY and somebody trading USD CAD, that's Canadian dollars, we are trading the same thing. We might be trading and it's going the same way, the same number of pips, but you see the money is different. Why? Because the exchange rate is different. So your quotes, which is the second currency in the pair, is what you make. But then if your trading account is in a different currency from your quotes, it will convert it for you. So I bet a lot of us did not know this. Put a one in the chat box if this is new to you. If this is new to you, please put a one in the chat box. All right, put a one in the chat box if this is new to you. Welcome if you're just coming in. All right, so just note that the base pair is the first part of the pair and the second is the quote. All right, the second is the quote. Now let's go on to the next one. There's a lot for us to cover today. All right, now can you do this? A lot of people, before going into Forex, they already had bad experiences in this quest for money. This money don't put us for problem. This money where they look for like this, it don't put us for wahala. I know a lot of people that have lost money, giving money to people to trade for them and then getting scammed. Trust me, the best way is to learn the skill for yourself. I believe that trading is a skill. Trading is a skill that we should learn like reading and writing. Do you agree? It's a skill that should be involved in school. They should be teaching us how to trade. Oh, I should send you the link to invite your friends. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let me see if I can find it, and I'm just going to send it to you right there. I'm just going to put up the link right here again. Let's see if I can do that. Oh my goodness. The link of this oh my goodness, I don't know. Let me see. Tega, please, I don't know if you the link, please. Tega, I don't know if Tega is here. He's supposed to help me with all this today, because I know some people will really. Tega, please, can you put up the link? Can you put up the link to this webinar, the one from your email? Just put it on the chat box so that others can invite other people. So can you do this? All right. Can you do this? The question is, can you do this? Yes, you can. Trust me. Trading should be like reading and writing. Trading should be like reading and writing. It should be. This is the problem. The system is trying to cage everybody into growing up to work for people. It's trying to cage everybody into growing up to work for people. So they are yet to introduce, but in the USA right now, they're introducing Forex in their school curriculum. All right. The question is, can you do this? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. But some of us have seen the four walls of a university, and some of us have not. But trust me, most of the people that are even making it in Forex, they have not seen the four walls of a university, and they are big in Forex. How much more you that understands that you're tech savvy, you've gone to school, you will kill it. It's a myth to think that Forex is hard. It's not hard at all. It's not hard at all. I have a 50-year-old that I'm mentoring, and he's taking trades now. It didn't take him a while to learn how to take trades. Now he's into trying to understand the nitty-gritty of finding trades by himself. So trust me, there's no limits to learning. Anybody can learn this. But you have to come in with that mindset of having the desire to be successful, applying the skill, and believing that you have already won. All right? You have to apply this desire, skill, belief will lead you to success. You have to believe that you can do it. The other people, they don't have two heads. Come on, it's the same God that created all of us. Why do you think that you cannot make it? So you have to have it at the back of your head that it is easy peasy. And there is more to the abundance mindset. You have to see yourself making it every day, because that way, once it is done in the spirit realm, it is done in the physical. All right. So you can do this. Now I'm going to be introducing you, especially if you're new. I'm going to be Desire Believe, Jude. Well done. I'm going to be introducing you to oh, that link has not been dropped. Oh, let me see if I can drop it. That link has not been dropped. I think I can just go in the Zoom and oh wow, this is a bit stuff. It's a bit stuff. Let's see if I can copy the link. Okay, hold on. I think I found a way. Biodun, just give me a second. I think I found a way. All right, just a little bit of interruption there. All right. So there you go. This is the link. Yes. So you can invite people. All right. So we have market viewing platforms, the Trading View, the MT4, the MT5, and you can analyze and take trades on both your Trading View, MT4, and MT5. All right. The beauty of the thing is Trading View is free. Trading View is free. MT4 is free. MT5 is free. All right. Trading View, MT4, and MT5, they are all free. You can just get them and start taking trades without paying any money. All right. You can start taking trades and learn how to trade without paying shishi. All right. If it's my Igbo brothers and sisters, it is free. It is easy. I'm going to be dropping links where you can easily sign up on Trading View. So as we're talking, you're doing it. All right. As we're talking, you're doing it. All right. So check the chat box for anybody that is still on. Please sign up for your Trading View. You can do it while we're talking. So on Trading View, you can link brokers. I'm going to come to that. What is a broker? I know everybody's asking. For those that are newbies, what is a broker? You can actually link your broker to your Trading View and trade. Same with your MT4 and MT5. You can link your brokers to your MT4 and MT5 and trade. Okay? So you need these important platforms to learn how to trade. Well, however, the most important thing is your broker, and we are going to that. What are brokers? You know, when you have a phone, right? When you have a phone and you need to call someone, when you have a phone and you need to call someone, you can't just pick up the phone to call someone. You can't just pick up the phone to call someone. You have to have a SIM card in the phone before you can call that person. Now, that is what the broker represents. The broker is the middleman between you and the Forex market, all right? Or whatever market you want to trade. You have to put some money in your broker account, and then you can now connect to the what? Forex market. You can't just go straight into the Forex market, all right? So these are 3 brokers I use. I love them all. There are categories to these things. These are 3 brokers I use. I have accounts on all of them. Now, Exness is my favorite. Why? You can hold cryptos with Exness. You can trade stocks. You can trade cryptos. You can trade indices. You can so many things with Exness. And the most beautiful part is you can fund it directly from your Nigerian account. Same with HFM, which is the hot forex. Same with that. It's just that Exness has no swap limits, no swap. They don't charge you. They don't charge you, or even if they charge you, it's just a little. That's the difference between hot forex and Exness. They both work very well for the Nigerian system. For Hugo's Way, you will have to use cryptos. Hugo's Way is for the big boys, like those that have been trading for a long time. All right. Those that have been trading for a long time. You have to fund it with cryptos. That is why it's the less preferable. All right. But if you want to make money quick, although their swap fees are there, they have goods, they charge for their swap fees. It is very quick to make a lot of money with Hugo's Ways. You will understand by the time you join the group, by the time you join the family. All right, you will understand with time. Okay, now but as a newbie, I will advise you go for Xness. Why? It helps you save your money. You can hardly blow your account. You can hardly clean up your account or finish your money with Xness. They have these contract sizes that make you want to manage your money. It makes it easier for you to manage your money with Xness. And that is why I am a lover of Xness. So if you want to do that, I'm going to send a link right now. I'm going to send a link right now. Oh, I can see people are just coming in. Oh my goodness, you are all welcome. I can see people are just coming in. Never mind. Just relax. We'll get there. We are just starting. So brokers are like the SIM card of your phone. Brokers are like the SIM card of your phone. So yes, so let's hook you up. Please, everybody, go to your Play Store. Go to your app store and download MT4 and MT5. Download MT4 and MT5. Just do that. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 for newbies that are on here. Download MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. All right, download that. Download that. I don't know if Tega is here. Tega, please, all the links I have already put up, can you put them back on in the chat box if you can see them? I'm going to try to see if I can find them. Please download your MT4 and MT5. I'm going to give everybody 2 seconds to do that. It doesn't take time, or let's say 5 minutes to do that. All right, please download it right now because we're going to take, okay, you can't see the links. We are going to take trades in class and we're going to make some money. So please download MT4 and MT5. All right, I'm just going to give everybody next 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes for us to download MT4 and MT5 on our phones. All right, it doesn't matter what you use, even if you're using itel, if you're using it doesn't matter. You can just go in there and download it. It's free. Download MT4 and MT5. All right, download MT4 and MT5. So for those that are just coming in, I had already put up some links. Trading view link. I had put it up and I'm putting it up again. Please use it to download Trading View. You need to download Trading View where you can analyze your charts. All right. You need to download Trading View. You need to sign up with Trading View where you can analyze your charts. All right. Now for Xness, which is the broker that every newbie should use, the Xness, which is the broker that everybody should use, I'm going to put it right here. Please sign up for that. Every newbie, you don't want to lose your money as soon as you get started. Please sign up here for your Xness, account. All right, you need to sign up. It's not taking time. So I hope everybody has downloaded MT4 and MT5. I hope everybody has downloaded MT4 and MT5. So those are the links. So once you're done, let's go into business. Let's go into business. You've downloaded your MT4 and MT5. Now, I'm going to share my screen to show you the components of MT4 and MT5. All right? And how we can hook up our brokers to these trading platforms. All right? So I'm going to be sharing my screen. Please give me a second. I'm going to be sharing my screen. Um, all right. All right. I'm going to be sharing my screen and we are going to be doing this together. All right. We are going to be doing this together. All right. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Can everybody see my screen? This is the Android phone. All right. iPhone users can join in. So can you see my MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5? Beautiful. Can you see my MetaTrader 4? Thank you. I'm happy everybody can see that. Download MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 on your app through your app store or through your Google Play Store. Yes, please put a 1 in the chat box if you can see my screen. All right, put a 1 in the chat box if you can see my screen. All right. Uh-oh. What's going on? Okay, so now this is my screen. Now let's open MetaTrader 4. Click on your MetaTrader 4. All right, click on your MetaTrader 4. Have you downloaded MetaTrader 4? If you've downloaded it, click on your MetaTrader 4. Click on your MetaTrader 4. All right. Okay. Now you see the 3 dash lines up there on the upper right. Click on it. All right. Click on it. And this is what shows. This is what shows. All right. Beautiful. Now I know you don't have all this already. Click on your plus sign up above there. Can you see the plus sign? Aha. Now click open a demo account. Open a demo account. All right. Open a demo account. Type Who Goes Way. Who Goes Way demo. Type Who Goes Way demo. Put your name. Put your name. Put your phone number. All right. Put your email. Click on deposit and make it 3,000. Click on deposit and make it 3,000. All right. Leave your leverage as it is. Leave your leverage as it is. All right. Leave your leverage as it is. All right. Leave your leverage as it is. Then create account. And voila, you have a demo account to play with. You have a demo account to play with. Now, I would advise anybody starting off, please trade with your demo for at least 2 weeks. Especially if you're a newbie, please trade with your demo account for like 2 weeks before you put money and say you want to try. And even if you put money in your account, which is the XNES, because you're going to use the XNES for your real accounts, all right? And you're going to use it on MT5. It's the same way, but I'm going to show you MT5, all right? I'm going to show you MT5. So once you've opened your demo account, this is what you will be dealing with. This is what you will be dealing with, all right? This is what you'll be dealing with concerning trading and trying and backtesting and learning how to take trades. All right. Now, we are done with that. We are done with that. If you are done with creating your demo account, please put a 1 in the chat box. If you're done with creating your demo account, please put a 1 in the chat box. If you are done with creating your demo account, please put a 1 in the chat box. All right. If you are done with creating your account, put a 1 in the chat box. All right, Favor has created. All right, what about every other person? Does every other person have a demo account already? Or unless you are already a trader? Emmanuel, thank you. All right, beautiful. So let's go on. Let's go on. Let's go on. Now, we have indeed created, and I hope you have also signed up for your XNet, because it is the XNet we are going to link to your real account. All right, we're going to link your XNet to your MT5. So remember, for demo trading, it's MT4. For real account, it is MT5. Your XNet will be in your MT5. So sign up with the link I left on the XNet. All right, so let's go on. Let's go on. Let's go on. Let's go on. All right, let's go on. So we are done with creating our demo accounts. We are done with creating our demo accounts. All right. Now I want to show you, before we continue, I want to show you what the components of MT4 or MT5 means. I want to show you what the components mean. All right. I want to show you what the components mean. All right. I want to show you what the components mean. So looking at your trading account right now, the first icon on the lower part is called the quote page. This is where you see all the currencies in the world. On the quote page, you can see that icon with double arrows. That is where you see all the quotes in the world. All right, all the quotes. So if I look and I don't see, like for example, I'm looking for the Great British Pound against the Australian dollar, which is the AUD. I click the plus sign up above there and I add it. GBP odd, Great British Pound against the AUD, Australian dollar. Now, if I say, please go and buy or sell GBP AUD, all you need to do is click that plus sign on the quote page and then add your GBP, click on it, and it has gone right down there. You can see it. It has been added to what? It has been added to the quote page. It has been added to the quote page. Has everybody gotten that? Has everybody gotten that? Now, that is how to add to your quote page. If you want, thank you very much, Emmanuel. So looking at the second icon, which is the chart, this is where you can analyze your trades. You will learn more about that with time. I hope everybody here has joined the free community on Telegram, where we'll be taking trades. I hope everybody has joined. I'll be popping up once in a while to teach on that platform. All right, I'll be popping up once in a while to teach on that platform. Now, looking at this, this is where we analyze trades on our MT4. You can also do the same on MT5. You will not understand much right now, but with time you will get it. This is where we analyze. The third icon is where you can see your balance, your equity, and your free margin, which is what the amount of money you have to play with. All right, remember it was $3,000, which is your demo. All right, your $3,000 free money to play with. This money is not real low. Before you think you can cash out the $3,000 for my newbies on here, I always get that question. Can I cash out the $3,000? Now, so money free? No, it's just for playing around and learning how to take trades. All right. So this third icon below shows you what's going on. The fourth icon shows you a history of what you've done. So if I lose trades, it will show that this is what I lost. How much? If I lose 50, if I lose 100, if I make 500, it will show here that so time you made so amount of money. All right. So this fourth icon helps you to know if you have made money or if you have lost money. Then this fifth one is just for news. We hardly use it anyways. We have a more reliable platform where we learn about the news going on in the market. All right, where we learn about the news going on in the market. Now, that's fine. Now, I want to show you how to take trades on your MetaTrader 4. I want to show you how to take trades on your MetaTrader 4. This is the most important thing, and I hope everybody here is with a notepad and a pen. I hope you are with a notepad and a pen. Now, in the market, what do you do in the market? We buy and sell. That is what we do in the market. Same with the Forex market. It's just that it is digital now. Nobody goes to look for dollar now to go and exchange to make money. People still do that, but there is a quicker way to do it via the Forex market on your phone, and you can make money. All right. So this is how to take trades. All right. Let's say, because right now from Mondays to Fridays, you can trade Forex, but during the weekends, you can only trade cryptos. You can only trade cryptos. All right. Cryptocurrencies. Now you can see I don't have any cryptocurrency on this page. What am I doing? I'm going to click on the plus sign, and I'm going to look for Bitcoin, BTC USD, BTC USD. All right. Now that is a cryptocurrency coin. And yes, you can trade it against the dollar on your MetaTrader 4 or your MetaTrader 5. All right. You can trade that. Beautiful. Now I click on it. I also have Ethereum. I can also trade Ethereum, but I like to trade ETH USD, which is also Ethereum against the US dollar. I can trade Ethereum to make dollars. All right, there you go. So if you go to your quote page, you will see I've already added both of them there. All right, you will see I've already added both of them at the bottom. You can see them at the bottom. So if you go to your quote page, you have added BTC and you have added Ethereum. So these are the only things you can trade during the weekends. But from Mondays to Fridays, you can trade the Forex market. All right. Now I have shown you how to add currencies in your quote page. I'm going to show you components of taking trades on your MT4 or MT5. So let's look at Bitcoin. All right. If I give an order and tell you guys, oh, go and buy Bitcoin, when you click on it, you see that this is what comes out. All right. For those using the iOS, for those using the Apple, it comes out as trade now or something like that. It comes up as trade now. Let me just go through my iPhone so I can check. I don't want to make mistakes. All right. It just comes out as trade now. I see this thing has stopped sharing. All right, we're back. We are back. All right. So on your Samsung or your good. Okay, we're back. On your Android phone, you will see new order, open chat. Okay. And so on and so forth. But on your this thing, you will see new trades also. Who is using an iPhone? Mine is loading, so it's taking so long to load. Let me see. It's taking so long to load. Yeah, you will just see trade. You will just see trade on your when you click on the quote on the currency you want to buy or sell. On your iPhone, you will just see trade, all right? You will just see trade. So once you click on that, sorry, this is MT5. This is the MT5. Once you click on new order, you can see this is what appears on the screen. I click on new order to take a trade. This is what appears on the screen. Now get your notepad and your notes and your pen. You need to write this down. There are two types of orders you can take in the market. There are two types of orders you can take in the market. The pending order and the instant execution. All right? Only two types of orders you can take in the market. All right? You can take an instant buy or sell, which is also called market execution or instant execution. There are different names, but they're the same thing, even on the iPhone. Even on the iPhone, what do they call it on the iPhone? On the iPhone, what is it called? It's called market execution as well. So market execution or instant execution, they are
same name.
I hope I'm not echoing. All right. I think someone unmuted. All right. Please mute yourselves so that everybody can hear us. All right. So we have two types of orders, market execution and pending orders. Pending means waiting. So good, pending orders. So we can go and set a trap for the market so that when it gets there, automatically it will activate. All right. So if you click on market execution, you can see all the types of pending orders after market execution. We have the buy limit, we have the sell limit, we have the buy stop, we have the sell stops. Forget about the buy and sell stops. I don't even understand how some traders use it. But if you're going to be sticking with me, I'll be showing you that buy limits and sell limits are the best pending orders that you can take. All right, so I'm going to be explaining with time, don't worry. Now you see that number where you see 0.20, that is what they call lot size. How much do you want to go into the market with? How much do you want to go into the market with? All right, that's what they call lot size. Now you can see two prices. There is a buy price and a sell price for any currency pair or anything you are trading. The one on the left is your sell price. The one on the right is your buy price. The one on the left is your sell price. The one on the right is your buy price. So this is BTC USD. The buy price now, if you want to buy Bitcoin right now, if you want to buy Bitcoin right now, sorry, it keeps going off. If you want to buy Bitcoin right now, the price you are seeing there is 28,388. It's on the right. All right. That is the price you can buy it now. You can see it keeps changing. But if you want to sell BTC USD through your broker, you can only sell for 28323. All right. Of course, the broker will want to buy from you for less. So don't ask me that question. Why is it lesser? Of course, if you are a businessman, wouldn't you want to buy for less? And he's the one in charge right now. You can only buy and sell through him. So if he wants to sell for you, if he wants to sell for you, meaning you want to buy, of course, it's always higher than the sell price most of the time. All right. So those are the two prices you can buy and sell for Bitcoin on your phone. All right. Even if you look down, it gives you a clue. The buy is on the right, the sell is on the left. All right. So if I come to you now and I sell and I say, go, hurry now. Let me see who I can use. Emmanuel has been Favor. Okay, Favor. Favor, if I say, quickly go and buy Bitcoin. All right. Go and buy Bitcoin now. Go and buy Bitcoin right now. Welcome, Sulaiman. Go and buy Bitcoin right now. That's a market execution. If you buy Bitcoin immediately, I tell you, go and buy it. That is a market execution. So all I have to do is choose my lot size, choose my lot size, and I'll just click buy. And my order has been placed. My order has been placed. That is how to do. And you can see I'm already losing 190. All right. Don't worry, I didn't analyze the trade. So I'm just showing you as an example. So once you see it is red, it means you are losing money. All right, it means you're losing money. But once it is blue, your team blue, who are the Chelsea fans here? The team blue, you mean everybody's a Chelsea fan when it comes to trade, Team blue, when it turns blue, it only means you are making profits. When it turns blue, it only means you are making profits, all right? When it turns blue, it means you are in profit. But when it is red like this, you are losing money, all right? So this is a market execution. So if I say go and sell ETH USD, you click on ETH USD, new order comes out, you click on new order. We are blue, we are printing. All right, yeah, when you are blue, you are printing money, good. All right, so if I say go and sell Ethereum, you go to your quote page, you click on Ethereum, and you click on new order, and you quickly go and sell. Pam, and I am selling my Ethereum. Okay, don't worry about the reds. I did not analyze. I'm just showing you how it looks. Now, if you look, you can see this is how much that is left with me. You can see this is how much that is left with me. This is how much that is left with me. Why? Because this is what has gone into the market. If you add this up and subtract it from 3,000 Naira or $3,000, that is what is left here. So your equity is what you've left here. All right, this is what you've left here. Don't worry, with time you understand free margin. All these ones, they're area, but these are the most important things for you to know. So whenever you see a forex trader exhibiting this or showing off with this, when it's blue, they're making money. When it's minus red, you know that they're losing money. And you can see how much is left in their account. All right, voila. So we're going back. Now, I want to close these trades before I want to close these orders before all my money will finish. Actually, I like the ETH USD. The trader in me will not let it go. So I'm going to close the BTC USD. And that is how to close it. You can see I have closed with loss, minus $244. I have closed with a loss, minus $244. This one is still ongoing. Now, that is how to take a market execution. All right. But when I say, please, everybody, go and take a buy limit. Go and take a buy limit. All right. Buy limit is a waiting order. We are going to set a trap for the market. Now I'm going to explain what a buy limit means. Write this down. I come to favor and I say, favor. Bitcoin is going to drop from 20 Naira to 10 Naira. Okay? Quickly, like whatever Bitcoin you have now, go and sell it. Go and sell it so that when it goes down, you will now buy more at 10 Naira. That is exactly what a buy limit is. So you're going to set a trap. When it comes down to $10, it will automatically buy 10 Bitcoins for you. All right, that is what a buy limit is. Going to set a trap so that when the currency comes down to a lower price, you will buy at that lower price, and then you will make money if it starts going up. That is exactly what the buy limit is. Don't stress your head about it. I will always tell you, go and buy limit Bitcoin. Okay, so I'll click on market execution. All right, click on buy limit. And let's say I tell you, go and buy Sulaimon, go and buy Bitcoin at 28,350. 28,350 or 380. Let's use that 380. Let's see. So I'll go to where there is price and type 28,350. All right. I will go and click. You see, I have chosen buy limit and I have chosen 28,350 and I have clicked place. That way, you can see it has not yet activated because the price has not come down to 28,350. All right? It has not come down to 28,350. So this is a pending order waiting to activate when price comes down at 28,350. All right? Good. Now, that is how to take a buy limit. On the other hand, sell limit is this. Who else can I use here to explain? Okay, I see a Monday. I see Monday. And I say, Monday, something is about to happen. Something is about to, Profix is around. Profix, let's use Profix. So if I say Profix, something is about to happen right now. Profix, sell limits. This is what sell limit means. If I tell you, Profix, you know all that Bitcoin you're holding. You know all that Bitcoin you're holding right now. Or you don't have Bitcoin, I say, Profix, Bitcoin, once it gets to $30,000, it will drop. It will drop in price. Once it gets to $30,000, it will drop in price. So you better sell immediately you get to $30,000. All right? Now it is just 28,000. So what do? You will quickly go and set trap. Or you call your supplier and say, next week, I want to come and sell Bitcoin to you at 30,000. Shall you agree or you no agree? You understand? So it is like going ahead and setting market for when it's going to happen. All right? I have done my analysis. I have come to Profix and I say, Profix, see this Bitcoin that is going up so. When Bitcoin becomes 30,000, the way it will fall, better know how you will do it. It will fall once it gets to 30,000. After 2 days that it has gotten to 30,000, it will drop. Profits will be like, hey, what will I do now? Okay, yes, I have somebody that likes to buy Bitcoin. So on that day that I know it will drop, I will quickly go and sell it. So that day, let's say that I know that day, that will be next week. By next week, Monday, Bitcoin will get to 30,000. I will now tell you, Oga, how far? Sure, say on Monday, I'll come and sell Bitcoin to you. It's going to be 30,000, but you go buy, you no go buy. Hey, that's exactly what I have just done by going to set a sell limit. Now, I'm going to show you. So, now to set a sell limit, all I have to do is click on that, create new order, go to that place there's market execution, pick sell limit. The price I want to sell at is 30,000. All right? And that's all. I place it. I am waiting for it to go up there. When it is 30,000, it will now automatically click sell. It will now automatically start selling. And that is it. That is it. All right? That is how to take sell orders, pending orders, and market execution. Market execution is instant. Pending orders is like setting trap in the market. All right? So don't worry, I'll answer all your questions after the class. Write your questions down. I will answer all your questions after the class. I don't want us to spend more than 1 hour, 30 minutes in this class, all right? We're almost done. We're already 1 hour into the class, all right? Good. Now, if you see, you can see the one I closed. You can see the one I closed. So I lost 245. No, I actually lost 244, but of course, broker will collect his money because whether you're losing or not, as far as you're taking trades there, this is why I love Xsense. as far as you're taking trades there, as long as you're taking trades in a broker, they will collect their money, whether you're losing or not. Swap fee must happen, which is why I love Xness. Their swap fees are very, very low. Their swap fees are very, very low. So Tega, you can put up the Xness account for people that are just coming in. Put up the Xness account link so that they can just quickly sign up. All right. So quickly just sign up. Then towards the end of class, we will open real accounts. But for now, let us study how MT4s and MT5s look like. So I have taught you what? I have taught you the two types of orders, the instant execution and the pending orders. Now, there's something I want to teach you. It is called the stop loss and take profits. Now, it's not just enough to enter to take profit enter the market without guarding your money. It's not enough. Now, look at this one that is happening here. This one that I'm already losing $150. All right. Remember, this was a market execution. This was a market execution. This was a market execution. All right. Now, I'm already losing like $150. It is still ongoing. It is still ongoing. But then a stop loss is that you set trap so that if the thing is going against you too much and you've already planned that, I don't mind losing only $100 to the market. I've planned that if I'm going to enter market today, I will just lose only $100. I will just lose only 150 or 120 or 100 or 200. So it depends on what you can afford to play with in the market. All right. So if I want to stop my loss, let me show you how I do it. I just have to, let's go to the quote page again. So I want to enter for a buy BTC USD, new order. I enter for buy. Okay. So I've entered for a buy. All I have to do is modify it. I click on what I have there and modify the order. So I want this thing to close. If I'm losing too much money, I'm already losing money as it is. So I don't want to lose more than $250. I would have calculated it. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do that. I would have calculated it so I will know where it will reach. And then I know that I will lose only $250. That is your stop loss. Now, my take profit is when to know, once I have made $500, I want to come out of the market. I'm okay for the day. I'm very okay for the day. I don't want to be greedy. One of the qualities you will learn here is to be very content, even with $1. Because trust me, $1 a day scares poverty away. Exactly, especially with now that dollar to naira is 750, 740. Imagine you're making that dollar every day. Trust me, you will learn to be grateful. You have to learn to be grateful. You are not here to gamble. You are here to learn how to be a skillful trader. So now look at the 0 points. You see 0.00 on the left. You can see 0.0 on the right. Now, where there is 0.00 on the right is where you put your take profits. All right. So let's say right now, you can see on the right, you can see that Bitcoin is 28,403. And I want to take my profits. Yes, $1 a day scares poverty away. So I want to take my profits when it gets to 28,600. All I have to do is click on that 0.00 on the right for my take profits. And I want to take my money when the price is 28,600. So I just type 28,600. Anybody giving you signals will give you take profits and will give you stop loss. If they don't give you take profit and stop loss, stop them until they give you take profit and stop loss, because that is what will protect your money in the market. All right. So I want to take my money when it is now, when the price gets to 28,600. However, for the sell, if the thing goes against me and it is now 28,350. Okay, no, this is now 338. So let's say it goes down more, 28,200. I will say, okay, I want it to remove me from the market, no matter how much is there that I'm losing. Let me just come out of the market. If the thing reaches 28,200, I don't want trouble. I don't want to blow my account. I can always make it double back next time. That's the kind of mindset you should have. You should always know when to run. when to leave the market, when to carry your money, when to come out with a loss. You have to know all these things. And it's something you practice with time. All right. People have learned these things in 3 months with me. People have learned this thing in 3 months. Somebody became a 4-figure trader in 4 months with me. So it depends on how coachable you are and how less greedy you can be. All right. And how less greedy you can be. The Bible is teaching us something there. Be renewed in your mind. All right. So I want to set my stop loss when it gets to 28,250. So 28, I'll now type stop loss is 28. Stop loss is always on the left and take profit is always on the right. Same with your iOS. Same with your Apple. It's no difference. 28,250. That way I have modified it. So if the thing is going against me, it will take me out when it gets to 28,250, thereby protecting my account. If it gets to 28,600, it will take me out with my cool cash. And that way I have modified it. So you see, so that is for the Bitcoin. If you click on it, you can see SL, which means stop loss, 28,250. TP, which is take profit, 28,600. So we go again. We have 2 types of orders in the MetaTrader 4 or in the Forex market. Of course, the buy and sells. And they are categorized into pending orders and market executions. Now, market execution is just instant buy or sell. Pending orders, the best ones to use are the buy limit and sell limit. And I've explained, buy limit is when you're waiting for the price to come down so that you can buy more at a lower price. Sell limit is when you're waiting for the price to come up so you can sell more at a higher price. Because we want the price to be high to sell and the price to be low to buy. All right? We have learned also what a take profit and stop loss is. If the market is going against me, what do we use? What do we use? We use a stop loss so that it will stop us from losing our account. If we use a take profit, if we have profits that we've made, we want to make so amount. If it's $20 a day, my take profit is what will help me collect my $20 and leave the market jelly. You don't want to be caught in the market, yo. Always put your take profit and stop loss. Always put your take profit. In fact, the most important thing is your stop loss. Always put your stop loss. If the person gives you signal and doesn't give you stop loss, stop the person until they give you stop loss. So once you take your buy, you know where to enter your buy. You know if it is a buy limit. You know how to enter the price for the buy limit. You know where to put your stop loss. You know where to put your take profit. Can we move on now? Don't worry. Any questions you have, just write them down. I will get back to you. All right. So we have learned these things. Thank you very much for your understanding. Now, let's get back to our slides. Okay? Let's get back to our slides. All right. So I already put up the link there for those that want to sign up with their live accounts. We will do that after the class. It's very easy. Somebody will share their screen and you can easily hook up with a live account whenever you have money that you can afford to lose, because you're a beginner right now. I always say, please, I beg you, save. Don't enter with live accounts till you have practiced enough how to take trades. Now, this is one important part we are going to. Remember that number, which I told you was the money to use and enter the market. That is what is called lot size. I can share the screen again so that you can see it. You can see it. All right. So there's something called lot size I want to explain in the market right now. So if I click BTC USD and I have a new order, can you see the 0.30 there? Can you see the 0.30 there? That is what is called a lot size. That is what is called a lot size. So lot size is what you go in, okay, to the market with how much you want to buy. how much you want to sell. I'm going to explain that right now. So that 0.30 is the lot size I'm entering with, okay? People enter with different lot sizes depending on how much they have in their trading accounts, all right? People come in with different lot sizes depending on how much they have in their. See, this market, there are levels. There are levels to it. Oh. You cannot be trading the way somebody that has 10,000 in their account can be trading. You can't do that. You are advised to use only 1% of your account to be trading, especially if you're a newbie. All right? 1 to 3% of your account. So if you have $3,000 in your account as a newbie, 3% is that you should be risking about just, is that $30? You should be risking about $30 per trade, all right? Or total trades for the day. Don't risk more than that as a beginner. If you have $100 in your account, just be risking $1, okay? And I'm going to explain how to calculate these things in the next slide, all right? I'm going to be showing you how to calculate these things in the next slide. All right. So pips, what is pips? Okay, we have to understand what pips is. Then I will go further to lot sizes. What is pip? Pip is a measurement of change in value for currency. All right, we're going to go into that, and we're going to go into lot sizes and types of lot sizes. All right. Now, how to calculate pips? So for USD pairs, now remember we have pairs in the market. We have USD JPY, that's a USD pair. We have Euro USD, we have GBP USD, we have BTC USD, but that's a crypto. But you can see anything that has USD inside is a USD pair. All right? Anything that has USD inside is a USD pair. All right? Now imagine, for example, if Euro USD, we've understood how to see the prices. Okay, so if Euro USD moves from 1,300 and 500, let's say we want to buy, all right, and then the buy price for Euro USD is 1.3500, 1.3500, meaning euro to the US dollar, all right. So €1 will cost $1.35. That is exactly what it's saying, about 1.35. That is what it will cost you to get a euro. Yeah, so it's going to cost you 1.35 to get a euro. So if Euro USD moves from 1.3500 to 1.3505, the answer is increase of what? 5 pips. So if you want to calculate how much it has moved, all you need to do is subtract the last 4 digits after the decimal point. So the 4th decimal place. So this is 3,500 minus 3,505. Or 3,505 minus 3,500, the difference is 5. And we know that it has moved, it has increased 5 pips, all right? But if it moves from 1.3400 to 1.3350, the difference is what? 50 pips. It has moved, it has decreased in price 50 pips. That is how to just calculate pips. But JPY pairs are calculated differently. Okay, they usually are just 2 decimal points. Even if there are more, all you stick to is calculating the 2 decimal points after that. All right, so an example is USD JPY, AUD JPY. All right, if it moves from 100.10 to 100.15, the answer is what? 5 pips. It has moved and it has increased by 5 pips. How did we do it? We only minused the 2 decimal places. All right, same with the AUD JPY. The AUD JPY, 88.300 to 88.150 only means it has decreased in 15 pips. Not put the 0 join, it is not 150 pips. Remember, it is the 2 decimal points that we are calculating. All right, remember that. So now, With this, knowing how much pips that have moved, how do we calculate our money? The money people that are here, how do we calculate our money? All right. So, okay, there's another thing I want you to know before we go into learning how to calculate our money. We also need to know what a pipette is. A pipette. So a pipette is usually 1/10. It is point something. So 1/10 of a pip. All right. Don't confuse yourself about it. Just know that pipette means 1/10 of a pip. You can take a screenshot. I will still send everybody that I have their emails. I'm still going to send everybody a recording of this class. Okay. What is a pipette? That's if I have your email, low. What is a pipette? It is also known as 1/3 of a pip. It is the fifth, but then if you are here till the end of class, there is something for you. There is a prize for anybody. The first or 1 out of 5 people I'm going to select here. Okay? Don't worry, stay till the end of class. You don't want to miss. What is a pipette? It's known as 1/10 of a pip. It is the 5th decimal place in USD pairs. Okay, like look at this one, an example. If Euro USD moved from 1.3505 to 1.35057, the pipette is the 5th decimal place. That 5 and that 7, those are the decimal places. So you know that, okay, it has increased. The pip is 5 pips. Then that 5 minus 7 or 7 minus 5 there is 2. But because it is 1/10, it becomes 0.2 pips. So it is now 5.2 pips. It's not hard. All right. If AUDJPY moves from 88.796 to 88.604, the answer is decrease of 19.2 pips. Why? Because remember the JPYs, you are supposed to calculate only 2 decimals. So the third one becomes the pipette. So the difference between the third ones are the 6 and the 4, which gives it 0.2. Is that easy? So using lot sizes, there are 3 major types of lot sizes. The standard lot size, that's for them organs, those ones that have $100,000 in their account. Meaning that if an instrument or an asset moves by just a pip, if it moves by just a pip, they either make $10 or they lose $10. All right? They either make $10 or they lose $10. So that is why if you're entering the market with 1.0, you must be Baba. That is a standard lot size. Remember, I showed you what a lot size is. If that's your lot size now 1.0, that is a standard lot size. Sorry, there's a spelling error. Standard, STANDARD. Standard lot size. So it means if your money, if your pip, if you're buying and it increases by a pip, you've made $10. So imagine entering this, and if it just moves 5 pips, you've made $50. But then that is how if it moves 5 pips against you, you are losing $50 instantly. All right. So you have to know how many pips that currency has moved, either against you or to your favor, before you know how much you're making with the lot size you have put in. So then there are the ones that use mini lot size. Mini lot size is 0.10. A mini lot size is 0.10. But remember what I was using was 0.30. All right. So that is like a mini lot size, but it times 3. You understand? That's 3 mini lot sizes. All right. Which is about 3,000 units. Okay. Yes, 30,000 units of a particular, I'm buying 30,000 units of a particular currency. But standard lot size is 100,000 units of that currency. All right. So if I'm buying 10,000 units, if I'm buying 100,000 units, I'm using standard lot size, meaning that if it moves, I'll be making $10. If I'm using mini lot size, all right, I'm using 10,000. All right. That means that if it moves, I'll be making $1 per pip. It moves. Micro lot size are for the people that have $100 in their account. 0.01. All right. 10 cents per movement. So everybody, you have to cut your coat according to your size in trading. You have to cut your coat according to my size, to your size. Now, there's a question for the class to answer. Okay, look at, there's an example. If I trade GBP USD with 0.1 lot size and it moves 15 pips in my favor, my profit is what? $15, which is 15 pips times 0.1. So you have to know the number of pips and the lot size you've put up there according to what you have in your trading account. Don't go and over leverage. Don't go and put too much when you have little in your account. So we have 3 types of standard lot sizes. Standard lot size with a pip, you are making $10. Mini lot size with a pip, you're making $1. That's if you're in profit, though. If you're losing, it's the same thing. With micro lot size, you are making 10 cents per pip. All right. So if I trade GBP USD with a 0.1 lot size and it moves 15 pips in my favor, my profit is 15 times 0.1. Okay? 15 times 0.1. What is 15 times 0.1? What is 15 times 0.1? Someone should use calculator because I don't think what I did there is correct. What is 0.1 times 15? 0.1 times 15. So if it is moving, if it's going to give me $1 good. So this, I'm supposed to be making $1.05 times, okay, hold on. For example, if I trade GBP USD, $1.5. That is what I'll be making. All right, $1.5. For example, if I trade GBP USD with a $0.1, no, it's not $1.5. $1 per pip. So if it moves 15 pips, I am making what? If it moves 15 pips, I am making $15, not 1 point. So I'm correct. Mini lot sizes is 0.1. So 0.1 is what mini lot sizes means. It means you are buying 10,000 units of that particular thing. So if I'm making $1 per pip for mini lot sizes, it is $1 times how many pips it has moved. So it is $15 I have made. So I'm correct. Then micro lot size, if you're making 10 cents, if you're making 10 cents per pip, because micro lot size is 0.01. So if it is 0.01, that means I'm buying only 1,000 units of a particular project or a particular asset. All right. So it means that each pip is times 10 cents. It is times 10 cents. So if, look at this, if my lot size were 1.0 lot size, what would be my answer if GBP USD moves 15 pips? I want an answer to that. If my standard lot size, remember 1.0 is standard lot size. Remember, if you're using standard lot size, you're making $10 per pip. So if my lot size were 1.0, which is a standard lot size, and GBP USD has moved 15 pips in profit, what would be my answer? What would be my answer? Standard lot size means $10 per pip. And standard lot size is 1.0. And GBP USD has moved 15 pips in profits. In profit, not loss. 15 pips in profits. And standard lot size means $10 per pip. How much will I make if I have entered with a standard lot size? Standard lot size is $10 per pip. And it has moved 15 pips. That will be 10 times 15. I am making $150 if I enter the market with a standard lot size. So remember, I was entering, exactly, Jude. Thank you so much. I was entering with that. I was entering with a mini lot size, which was 0.30. That was a mini because it's 0.10 lot size. So 0.30 times 3 of a mini lot size. And imagine, it had moved $15. It had moved 15 pips. It would be 15 times 3 that I would have made. Okay? So let's get down to it again. Standard lot size means 1.0. Mini lot size is 0.1. Micro lot size is 0.01. All right? Standard lot size is 1.0. Mini lot size is 0.1. Micro lot size is 0.01. For standard lot size, it means $10 for a pip. For mini lot size, it means $1 for a pip. Micro lot size, it means $10 for 10 cents for a pip. So if it moves 15 pips in a standard lot size, it is times 10. If it moves 15 pips with a mini lot size, it is times 1. If it moves 15 pips with a micro lot size, I'm making 15 times 10, which is $1.5, $1.5, Okay, write your questions down. I will answer. All right. Now it's time to take trades using strategy. For those that are already trading, there was something I mentioned earlier. If I'm trading, for example, GBP AUD, okay, for those that are already trading, for newbies, just relax. Let me explain this because a lot of us that already feel that we are traders, we don't know this. If you're trading GBP odd or GCAD, which is GBP against Canadian dollar, and you're using a standard lot size, remember what you're trading is GBP CAD, and I told you what you're making is the quote currency. Now, if your trading account is in dollars and you're making $10 per pip, which is standard lot size, you're not making dollars, you're making Canadian dollars. Because your quote currency that you're trading, GCAD, is GCAD you are trading, GBP against the Canadian dollars. Write this down. If you are trading GBP CAD, and you have entered with a standard lot size, you are not making dollar. You're making the Canadian dollar. But because your currency in your trading account is in dollars, it will convert that your 10 Canadian dollars to dollars, and that is what you will see in your trading account. So if you know that $1 equals to, let's say, 1.5 Canadian dollars, all right? You are making 1.5 Canadian dollars that is being changed to dollars in your trading account. Write that down. This is for intermediate traders, okay? They will understand it. But stick with me, we are getting somewhere. For newbies, stick with me. This is easy calculation. Let me see, I can see there are some questions already there. Abiodun Garfa, don't worry, we are in on this together. We are in on this together. Time to take trades using the reversal strategy. Now, I know some of us here are, when we were coming in, I tried to market the course for you, but a lot of us did not get the course. And then it was going for a discounted price. So many people that have gotten the course, let me see if they are here. Let me see if they are here. Oh, some of them are not here. Okay, Tega got the course. There was a lady that got the course, and she, in fact, I had to testify about it. She slept and woke up with 9%. 9%. She said she has never made that by sleeping before. She made 9% of her money. So come on, if you have $100, you know what that 9% means. Making 9% on top your money. That is about 9%. That's $9. She made $9 by just sleeping and waking up with that strategy. So I'm going to touch up on that strategy for everybody. Let me stop sharing screen. I'm going to be sharing my my screen when I've opened my trading view. All right. I hope everybody, please put up the link for trading view. Please put up the link for trading view. Tega, please put up the link for trading view for those that have not put up the link for trading view for those that have not. Can you all see my screen? Can you all see my screen? If you can see my screen, just put a 1 in the chat box. If you can see my screen, just put a 1 in the chat box. I can see my screen. All right, so we're going to make some money. We're going to make some money. All right. We're going to make some money together. We are going to make some money on our demo accounts. It's not real, though, for newbies. I beg, go. For newbies, it is not real, though. We are going to use demo accounts to practice right now. All right? So we're going to look at BTC USD. I know the ones that I hear that they just want to grab a hold of the strategy that Chioma has been talking about since. They know how to trade. They just want to grab it. Jude, the likes of Jude that are inside this class. Oh my goodness. Jude, I know you've come here to steal my strategy for free. Don't worry, God is on our side. We will make our money either ways. So, we are trading cryptos because we are Jude, don't tell me anything. Don't tell me anything. Don't tell me anything. All right. So, all right. We are trading cryptos because it's the weekend. We are trading cryptos because it's the weekend. Actually, I don't know. My network is so slow. My network is so slow. My network, I don't know why it's taking so long. So please download your trading view. Okay, yes. Tega, thank you so much for putting that up. Thank you so much for putting that up. So, it is so slow, for Christ's sakes. My network is so slow. Let me see. Give me a second. Let me see if I can change network. All right. Let's see. It's taking so much time to load. It's really unstable. The connection is beginning to get unstable. Okay. All right. So we have BTC. So this is how TradingView looks like. This is where I do all my analysis. This is where I do all my analysis. So with the strategy, all right, we're looking at Bitcoin. We know Bitcoin has been skyrocketing. Kudos to those that are hodling. They are making money this time around. So this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. The green candles show an upward movement. The red candles show a downward movement. All right. But let's see whether we can make something or we can set something that will give us some money. And then I can answer all your questions. All right. So I usually like to go to the daily to see what's happening. I can't seem to find Vera in class. So the prices are represented by candles. I'm just looking for a trade that we will take today. So, all right. We have green candles representing upward movement of price. So this is the prices. These are the prices here. Bitcoin USD. Bitcoin USD. All right. So we can see there's been a daily we can see movement. Look at that movement going up. Right now, it's about a bit of a consolidation going on. Consolidation is when they are just moving sideways. There's no direction. See how this one moved up. See how this place moved down. So consolidation is when this is happening. So currently, nothing much to it. We can see it is moving down. The candle for the daily is moving down. Nothing much to it. I hope we can find something useful to take today. I hope we can find something useful to take today. All right. So I come down to the 4 hour. Let's see how that candle looks on the 4 hour. All right. Looks very good. She's actually coming down. We can see she's coming down on that 4 hour. Let's look for the 1 hour. This is 1st of April. This is where you see the dates for the day. The dates for the day. All right. So today, this is 1st of April. Happy new month, everyone. Happy new month, everyone. So this strategy, you can use it to trade stocks. You can use it to trade cryptos. You can use it to trade Forex. All right. So this is happy new month, Profix. Thank you so much. Don't worry, we'll all make this money, okay? We will all make this money. So this is where the April candle started from. This is April 1st. So if I put a line there, this is April 1st. This is where we started on today. Can you see that? Let me make it really quite invisible. All right. So today is what? April. Now, if you've already signed up for your trading view, just watch what I'm doing. I want you to come here to your time zone and change it to the New York session. Because if you're going to be rolling with me, you have to have your time view, your trading view on the New York session. Have it on the New York session because we're going to be trading like we're in the USA. We're not going to be trading like we're in Nigeria. Amen, Profix. Thank you so much, Emmanuel. All right. So we know that she has been dropping since she opened market today. Bitcoin has been dropping since she opened market today. You can see the downward movement. You can see she's been dropping. So currently the price is 28,371 for one Bitcoin. The price is $28,371. All right. She's been dropping. She's been dropping. So from the 1 hour, we can see she's been dropping. Let's see the 30 minutes. She's been dropping on the 30 minutes. You can see the downtrend. You can see the downtrend. She's been dropping like that since the opening of today's market, which is 1st of April. She's been dropping in price. So anybody selling now is doing the right thing because they're supposed to be selling when it's high so that when it drops, you make money. All right. So look at that. 30 minutes, we can still see she's dropping. All right. 15 minutes, which is always the ideal place to take a trade, especially for those that have been trading for a while. In fact, I can actually take a trade in 5 minutes. I can take a trade in the 1 minute. So I see that she's been going down and I mark all the points where she's going down from. She came like this, went here and pushed down. So I mark it. She came like this, went up and pushed down. So I mark that place where she started pushing down. She came again, pushed down here. I mark it. She came again, went up, pushed down, but she didn't push down lower than the last low. So I'm not going to take any of these ones. I will take where she pushed down to be lower. Sorry. She pushed down lower here. She pushed down lower here. This is the lowest. All right. Now I've seen what she has done. I've marked it out on the 15 minutes. I want to keep going because I want to look for a swift market that we can enter. All right. Now, this was the last low. There's another low here. You can see as I'm coming down lower time frames, I can see lows happening. I can see lower lows. Points that it pushed it lower. Okay. There's one here. This place that pushed it lower. So I've marked all my potential supports and all that. So What happened is, because it's a reversal strategy, she has completely turned around here. And that is why anybody that bought here made a lot of money. Anybody that bought here made a lot of money. Let me go back to the 5 minutes. Anybody that bought at this line would have made a lot of money. Anybody that had bought at this line have made money, because we are buying at lower prices. Okay? So we are waiting to see. She's still on this line. She's still on this line. We can take a buy here. We can take a buy here, because we are looking for a buy now. Why? She has broken structure. Now, let me explain. Let me explain. Remember, I started with the daily to see what is happening. I started with the daily to see what is happening. This is why I asked everybody to get the course, but I'm trying to explain it as quick as possible. So from the daily, I see that she started today to develop a red candle, which means it is going down. The price of Bitcoin is going down. All right? The price of Bitcoin is going down. So I have come here, I've marked it on the daily. Okay, I can see that there is a red candle showing that the price of Bitcoin is going down. So from daily, this is where I changed the time. I see, okay, let me go up a bit more, go lower time frame to 4 hours. I can see her dropping to 1 hour. I can see her still dropping, okay? But now I am marking out points that show where she's dropping from. When we are going down in a market on a downtrend, this is how it moves. It never moves straight. It will come down like a wave, go back small. Come down like a wave, go down small. Come down like a wave, go down small. This is how it keeps going. This is a downtrend. So now what you have to do is mark everywhere that it pushed the market lower. So it pushed the market lower than this low. I marked the top. This pushed the market lower than this low. I marked the top. This place also pushed the market lower than this low. So I marked the top. That is exactly what I did. All right. So I kept looking for places that push the market lower on each time frame. And that is what I did. I'm going to delete it so that nobody gets confused. Sorry. So that's what I did. And that was how I got all these lines. Why? Because I'm waiting for it to reverse. So once I see a reversal, I enter for a buy, because she has been selling. Now I am looking for a quick reversal to buy this market. I don't need indicators. I don't trade indicators. Indicators are a waste of time. They will confuse you. All right? They will confuse you. So I went down to the 5 minutes and I found all those strategic places. And I marked them out. I marked them out. If I squeeze them, you will see that each of these points kept pushing the market lower, kept pushing the market lower, kept pushing the market lower. The lowest was here. All right? And you can clearly see, after the market turned around and went here, it came back, retested close to the place, and went up on the lower time frame. So let's look at it on the 4 minutes. Let me see if I can see something like that. Beautiful. Look at it. Now let me zoom in. Let me zoom in so that everybody can see. So look at that. This was where I marked. Guess what? Guess what? This was the last one. She broke through that line, retested, and moved all the way up. Now, let me show you how much I would have made if I was in this trade. It's unfortunate. I thought we were going to be able to take trades today. All right. So let's say you came into the market and you are waiting for a reverse to happen. That is where you come in. So now I see she has been selling. Me, I'm waiting for reverse because it's a reversal strategy that I'm teaching. I'm waiting for the reverse to happen when she starts to go up after coming down all the way. After coming down all the way like this. Now what I'm waiting for is for her to start reversing. I have already marked out my potential points where she's going to reverse. If she reverses there, then I will start buying. Now look at this. Look at this. Let's replay. Sorry. Let's replay. Okay. So see, she has broken. She has broken. So I will, good. I entered late. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I entered really late. So I'm buying, and you can see now I'm making profit, and I'm going to flatten. I have made $45 just like that. That is how to use it. I have made $45 just like that. So I picked, you could, if I had entered here, this would have been my take profit. This is where I'll take my money and go. If I had entered here, this is where I'll take my money and go. So I'm not waiting to take too much. I just want to take profits at the next place. And that is how I have taken my money. My stop loss will always be the last low. All right. And see, just like that, I have made $45 from this trade. Very easy with this strategy. I have made $45. So I'm just going to tell you the name of the strategy. No wahala. Most of us didn't buy it. So you see, congratulations, trader. Your hard work shows on Bitcoin dollar in bar. Profit in cash, $45. Success rate, 100%. $45 most profitable trade. So you can see, that's how to make money using it. So now let me show you what enhances this. All right. So the name of the strategy is called the heads and shoulders. The heads and shoulders. Heads and shoulders strategy. So once you can see a turnaround from a downtrend to an uptrend, I wait for it to break one of those lines I marked that kept pushing the market down. Once it broke this first one, it came back to retest it, and look at all the money that I would have made entering here. Now let's look at it on ETH. That is Ethereum USD, because it's only cryptos you can trade on weekends. So you can see how a crypto trader can go ahead and trade anything they want. All right. Remember to stay to the end of class. There's a surprise for anybody that stays to the end of class. All right. Now look at ETH. She's been doing the same thing. She's been doing the same thing. This is the 4-minute time frame. So if we go back to the daily time frame, I can mark where she opened for the day, which is 1st of April. 1st of April today. Today is 1st of April. All right. So I go to the daily time frame, and I mark it out. I mark it out. So this is 1st of April, and there you go. You can see it is also a red candle. Let's zoom in. You can see it is also a red candle that it's open for today. It automatically tells you that the market is going down for the day. You can see. So now let's go to the 4-hour, or let me not even waste time. Let's go to the 1 hour. Now from that place she opened, which is here, you can clearly see she has been going down. In fact, this one looks more like, yes, she's been going down. Good. Now I want to start marking each level that took the market lower. I want to start marking each level that took the market lower. So I want to go down to my 15 minutes so I can see more levels, because as you go down in time frame, it means that each candle is 15 minutes. But on the daily time frame, each candle was 1 day. All right. On the 15 minutes time frame, each candle is 15 minutes. Each candle is 15 minutes. So yes, she has been going down. Let's come down to the 5 minutes. I wanted us to take a trade. I can see, I will look for something we can take probably. All right. So looking at this place, this was where it opened, right? So start marking the place that dropped it lower than this low. All right, this is the place you start marking. Although This place dropped it lower. Now you have to look for another place that dropped it lower than this low. This is the place that dropped it lower than this low. You mark it. Ethereum looks confused right now. So this place, okay, this was the lower low. Beautiful. This was the last low. Now let's come down lower time frames and look for more lows. Let's stop at the 4 minutes. Let's see. All right. So from what we see, there is no reversal happening on the 4 minutes. Let's look at the 3 minutes. There is no reversal happening. There is no reversal happening yet, so she is still selling. There is no reversal happening, so she is still selling. So let's see if we can join this sell. These are the only two places that took the market lower from when she opened. The only two places that took the market lower from when she opened. She opened here, right? This took the market low. Okay, this place is good, right? So she kept going low. Now, what we need is for this to happen in the market. We need her to come back, break and close above this one, retest, and this is where we would buy. So as a reversal trader, that's what I'm waiting for. Unfortunately, I'm yet to see a reverse happen. So you wait for, this is what makes you a trader. You wait for it to happen. You don't just jump in. Wait for it to happen, all right, before you take your trades. If I come down to the 1 minute, I'm yet to still see a reverse. I'm yet to see a reverse. I'm yet to see a reverse after this low. There's been no reverse yet. Oh, look there. I see a reverse. This is the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute. Okay, look at, there's another place from here that she went lower. You see? Good. You see? So I am yet to get a reverse. Oh, that beautiful. I see a reverse. I see a reverse. She actually broke through this one. So look at that reverse, but it didn't give us much. It didn't give us much. Look at that reverse here. If I replay, there's a way to actually, this kind of thing, there's a way to actually target with all these gaps going on. But that's not what we're here to do. We're just here to take trades. So imagine, this is a place I waited for her to break. She broke through with this candle, closed above the place, went back to retest it, and she's already in profit. So what I'll do is replay this, and then I'll target for a buy. And I'm buying here. So this is where I would have flattened it for my money. All right? Flattened it for my money, because there's a gap here that shows where I should take my money and leave. There's a gap here. So this is where I would have taken my money and left. I made only $1.06 with this trade. But I'm trying to see if we can take a short trade now. Whether we can take a short trade here. We can also take stocks trade right now using that strategy. It's called the heads and shoulders strategy. All right. It's called the heads and shoulders strategy. Ethereum is not moving as smoothly as Bitcoin. That is why I prefer to trade Bitcoin to Ethereum. I don't trade Ethereum. I don't even trade cryptos. I prefer to trade Forex. But because it's a weekend and there is no way I can show you cryptos, I am trading Forex. There's no way I can show you without cryptos. I'm trading cryptos, all right? So on a higher time frame, I am going to be actually waiting for her to break this place again. Then I will take care for a swift buy for her to move. And this is where I'll be taking profits. All right. So I just made $1 from that trade on Ethereum. I just made $1 from that trade on Ethereum. I don't know if everybody can still see my screen. Okay. All right. So let's go back to BTC. I hope we have all understood very much about how to take trades on our MT4. I hope we've all downloaded it. I hope we've all downloaded it. You can see how easy it is to trade. It's no big deal. Let me look for a sharp trade that we can take now on Bitcoin. If it is a buy limit, we'll set it. All right, we'll set it. So I'm just going to increase this. Monday, what do you mean by yes? Monday, what do you mean by yes? We are almost done. We are going now. I just want to see if we can take a sharp trade today, as promised. As promised, I want us to take a smooth trade today. So I'm just going to go to the 15 minutes. Ooh, I don't like how this is showing. This has happened to me before, and I really don't know how to come out of it. I really don't know how to come out of it. I really don't know how to come out of this. So I'm just going to close my trading view and I'll enter again. All right. So back to the 15 minutes. Okay. Monday, you're getting it. Let's go. Let's go. All right. The market is so slow today. So everybody go to your MT. Go to your MT4. This is going to be a very risky trade. This market no sweet today. Go to your MT4. Go to BTC USD. Click a buy. Market execution. Buy BTC USD. Buy BTC USD. Market execution by BTC USD. I'm going to follow you and buy this trade. The trade is looking sweet already. And I hope you're using a good lot size. I hope you're using a good lot size. I hope you're not using too much. Market is slow today. It's slow. Let me just buy here on here with my paper trading. When did I take this? Oh my goodness. I didn't even know when I took this. All right. Okay. So I'm going to buy here. And as you can see, I have bought that. And I am in profits. I am in profits. So I'm just going to set my stop loss to be below this line. And I'm going to set my TP to be right. Woo! What just happened right now? What just happened? I'm $7 in profits. I am $7 in profits. And I would just beautifully close this trade. I've made $7. So let's look at it from here. You see, I have made $7 right there. So this is like my demo. This is like my demo for trading view. Okay, this is like my demo for trading view. Look at that. I just made $7 right here. $12 from, I don't even know where this. So this is where my $7 came. All right. You're using one lot size. Jude. Yes, the market is usually a slugging, except synthetic is usually fast. Yes, synthetic. Although I don't like synthetic. I stick to my normal forex. I trade US 30, GBP USD, and gold. That's what I trade. I don't even trade cryptos. I just wanted us to make some money today. Now let's go back to our this thing. We can see that candle that shot up from nowhere. So that is how to use my heads and shoulders strategy. All right. I hope we had fun today. So I'm going to stop the recording so that